Hey y'all, this is Bucky with my channel Tractor Worx. We're at home today. We're doing some furniture repair on my recliner. We fixing to do some work so we can fix it back. This is going to be video part 2 of fixing it, and see if y'all can, y'all can see pretty good what I'm doing here. Get a little bit of light, more light in here. But I'm fixing to take these bolts loose. I showed you in that first video. I'm going to take the bolts loose so I can get that piece up and get it drilled out so I can fix it like it's supposed to so it don't pop out again on me. But that was very scary. I here by myself. My pups, they couldn't help me. So I had to just figure out a way to get myself out, you know, get myself out the chair, get upright. There wouldn't be no problems. So, but sit back and enjoy the show. I don't know. I know somebody gonna ask me what brand recliner this is. I'm not real sure. I bought it from Farmer Furniture here in Bentonville, South Carolina. I don't know if what name brand it is. I could probably find out and come back in a later date and put it in the description what the name brand of it is. But right now I'm trying to get this done. So bear with me if I don't block the camera view with my arm or whatever. Bear with me. I'm just trying to get it done. Getting these screws out. It's a little bit time consuming, but we got it. I am using DeWalt power tools, 18 bolt, using cobalt ratchet and wrenches. So here we go. We're going to see what we can get into here if I can get the light set right. Alright, we're going to pause this right here. We're going to be back with a part 3. But I got to go find me a hammer so I can tap that out. I'll be right back with you in just a few minutes. Stand by.